chai spiced cranberry jam. Sounds pretty good. I mean, all that sounds delicious. So what I'm gonna do in this video is show you how to make this cranberry spiced jam. So we've got some classic chai spices here. We've got cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, allspice, and nutmeg. And of course cranberries, a little bit of ginger. I'm not so sure about the star anise. That's definitely not a traditional chai spice, but I think I might just throw it in there just because it seems festive, looks nice, and I think it'll add a nice flavor to this jam. So the first step is to toast the spices. Just toss them in there till they just start to smoke a little bit. I think I had my pan a little bit too hot, so they started smoking really quickly. Then add in a half a cup of water. Swirl that all around. Then go ahead and add in the 3 tablespoons of sugar after that comes back to a boiling. And just swirl that all around to get the sugar mixed up in there. And let that cook for a couple of minutes just to make sure that the sugar's all well incorporated. And then go ahead and add in the ginger. So we're going to first do a teaspoon of ginger, and we'll add in 1/4 teaspoon at the end. Then go ahead in and add the cranberries and stir that around. Then go ahead and bring the cranberries back up to the boil. Turn the heat down and let it simmer for 25 minutes. Oh, and now's a good time to add in that star anise. Stirring occasionally and mashing the cranberries until all of it has softened and it looks really nice. To make sure we get a nice bit of ginger flavor, we're just going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of ginger right at the end and stir that all up. Next, we just want to remove any of the whole spices, so the whole pieces of cinnamon, the whole pieces of clove, and the star anise from the pot. And next, we want to just blend it up smooth. I first tried to use my immersion blender right in the pot, and that might be good if you want sort of a rustic texture to your jam, but I found that actually it worked a lot better to pull it out of the pot and then put it in a small cup or jar. I just used a small bowl to blend it up and get that nice smooth texture to it. Okay, so now the moment of truth. My cranberry chai spice jam. Hey, not bad.